to day 3 of the Jenny's Countdown to Christmas box from the Missouri Star Quilt Company. My name is Chris O'Neill. I'm so happy you're here. So we are gonna open day 3. And if you were with me yesterday, you saw that I got this wonderful charm pack. How cute is this? I'm putting a value on this for about $10. That's about what they go for. All right, let's see what's in day 3. And I guessed that it's something squishy, and then there's something more rigid. I'm thinking a pattern. I don't know what the squishy thing is though, but let's open and find out. Okay, so it is Cozy Cups Mini Quilt Mug Rugs pattern. Oh, very cute. I think it uses that charm pack we got. This is adorable. What a great pattern. You know I'll be making this. And some quilty fabric. Okay, so this is adorable. This looks like quilt blocks, and I'll put a better picture. Well, hopefully you can see this, but I'll open it up, take it out of the package, and put a better picture up of this. Yeah, and the pattern, and then I think, all of these go together to make this pattern. This is the stuff I want from Missouri Star. This is the kind of stuff. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get started on this, and I definitely, hopefully tomorrow will show you what I made, because how fun. I'll at least make something here. I love the mug. Oh my goodness, so exciting. I love these. I love these, love these. All right. Okay, so far I'm very happy with this box. Of course, it's only day 3, but so far I'm very happy with this box. Let's see what day 4 is. Here's day 4. All right, this is a binder of some sort. I'm thinking maybe a quilt planner or something like that. I hope so. That would be really cool too. What a great gift that would be. It is kind of open. I didn't do that. Okay, I didn't do that. I didn't open them. I didn't cheat, but it must have gotten ripped in the packaging. Okay, I will open it tomorrow and I will show you what I got. All right, time to get busy sewing. Thank you so much for joining me today for this unboxing. I will see you tomorrow, and make sure you catch tonight. I See Stars Quilting is going to have her premiere for the 12 Days of Quiltmas, and hopefully you've seen the other 2 and are collecting those secret words so you can enter to win some of these quilts. All right, have a great day. Make sure you take some time to sew, and I'll see you soon. Bye.